Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be sanding our project. Now when I made my router cuts, I did make very deep cuts, and my router bit wasn't as sharp as it probably should have been, so it left a few areas where there's burn marks. To sand out those burn marks, I've started with an 80 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to take a small piece of that, and I'm going to sand along the edges that are burnt, and that's going to remove those burn marks. Now the problem with doing this is that if I sand too much in one area, it could leave a flat spot and it wouldn't look very good. It potentially could mess up my nice router cut. A good alternative is to use a sponge sander. Now what it is it's basically just a squishy sponge with sandpaper wrapped around the outside. The way this will help it work a little bit better, if I put a little pressure on the sponge, it'll form to my router cut, and when I sand, it'll be sanding all edges evenly. So that's going to do a better job at maintaining that router cut. You also want to sand all of your faces and edges with the rougher sandpaper first. That's going to take down any raised areas or remove any scratches. After that, you'll want to come back with a finer grit sandpaper and sand your entire project again, and this is going to give it a smooth, soft feel to it, and it's going to give you a much better end result. Additionally, if there's any sharp edges, for instance the top of this router bit cut, there's a little bit of a sharp edge, you'll want to take your sponge sander and just go over that real lightly to break that edge and smooth that over just a little bit so that it won't chip off.